Mind out of it, pussy inside of it, cushy, obvious, beat it so bad, good lord, I'm proud of this, add it to my list of accomplishments, flow so
Hello, my name is Ben Cone, and today I'm going to play on this plastic cheap Ocarina that I got from Amazon. I don't know how good my camera will be when it takes in the sound. I haven't tried using this, I'm using an iPhone 5C by the way, so yeah, I don't know how good it sounds, so now let's see how it sounds like. Okay, so here we go. So yeah guys, that's about it. I hope my camera did a good take when it tried to take in sound. I don't know how this is going to sound with my phone. But yeah, this is just a test video. I will buy a microphone later when I found a good one on the internet. Or I can just find one at my local music store. Or something like that. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please leave a like, comment, dislike and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
I was a great and cool when I was in grade school. I was the paid fool, yet I always stayed true. Glass cloud with a solid edge. Loud as fucking so ahead. Stephanie whispered in my ear, she wanted to give a nigga head. I was too scared to red, blushing, onion. What in the fuck did she just say? We used to talk on the phone like we were talking heads. No sound, not past to your name.